What are the lungs and respiratory system? The lungs and respiratory system allow us to breathe. They bring oxygen into our bodies, call it inspiration or exhalation, and send carbon dioxide out, call it expiration or exhalation. This exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is called respiration. What are the parts of the respiratory system? The respiratory system includes the nose, mouth, through voice box, windpipe, and lungs. Air enters the respiratory system through nose or the mouth. If it goes in the nostrils, also called, they are warmed and humidified. Tiny hairs called cilia protect the nasal passageways and other part of the respiratory tract. Filtering of dust and other particles that enter the nose through the braided air. The nose openings of the airway, the nasal cavity, and the mouth meet up pharynx and through and back to nose and mouth. The pharynx is part of the digestive system as well as the respiratory system because it carries both food and air. At the bottom of the pharynx, this passageway divides into one for food in esophagus, which leads us the stomach, and the other four are the epiglottis, a small flap in the diaphragm, covers are only passages when while slow, keeping food and liquid from going into lungs. The larynx or voice box is the top part in the word only peep. The short tube contains a pair of vocal cords which vibrate to make sounds. The texture and windpipe, the those continuation of the airway below the larynx. The walls of the trachea are strengthened by stiff ribs of the cartilage to keep it open. The trachea is also lined with cilia, which sweep fluids and forgain particles out the airway so that they stay out of the lungs. At its bottom end, and trachea divides into left and right are two called branches, which connect on lungs. Within the lungs, the branching branch into smaller branches in the smaller tube called bronchioles. Bronchioles and engineer cycle called alveoli, where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide actually takes place. Each person has hundreds of millions of alveoli in their lungs. This network alveoli bronchioles and bronchi is known as bronchial tree. The lungs also contain elastic juices that allow them to inflate and deflate without losing shape. There are covered by thin lining called bipleural. The chest cavity or thorax is the airtree box that houses the bronchial tree, lungs, hair, and other structures. The top and sides of the thorax are formed by ribs and attached muscles, and the bottom is formed by large muscle called the diaphragm. The chest walls form protective cage around the lungs and other cones of the chest cavity. How do lungs and respiratory system work? The cells in our bodies need oxygen to stay alive. Carbon dioxide is made in our bodies as cell do their hubs. The lungs and respiratory system allow oxygen in the air to be taken into the body, while also letting the body get rid of carbon dioxide in the air breathed out. When you breathe and if diaphragm move downward toward the abdomen, the rib muscle pull the ribs upward of outward. This makes the chest cavity bigger and pull air to track these nose hormone in the lungs. In exhalation, the diaphragm moves upward and the chest wall muscle relax, causing the chest cavity to get smaller and push air of respiratory system through the nose or mouth every few seconds, which each exhalation are fills large portion of the millions of alveoli. In a process called diffusion, oxygen moves from the alveoli to blood through the capillaries, tiny blood vessels, lining the alveolar walls. Once in the bloodstream, oxygen is picked up by the hemoglobin in red blood cells. The oxygen-rich blood then flows back to her, which pumps in through the arteries oxygen-hungry tissues throughout the body. In the tiny capillaries of the body, tissues oxygen is freed from the hemoglobin and moves into cells. Carbon dioxide made the cells as their work move out the cells in those capillaries where most of the dioxide is in the plasma of the blood. Blood rich in carbon dioxide then returns to her via veins. From the hair, this blood in pump down lungs where carbon dioxide passes into the alveoli to be exhaled.